Sorry, late ako. Morning.
May GoPro pa talaga to.
Sorry. Ay, Johan, ano yung expectations mo?
Makla.
Gian, ano yung expectations mo?
Expectations ko. Ano ina-expect yun? Masyado lang professional sa mga religious stuff eh.
Kurt, expectations.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
Gawin natin yung Toronto. Magkakaman ni Marcos. Yes, si Ma'am. Ang aga nga.
Wait. Spray.
Yun.
Yan lang po. Meron ako.
Wala akong nadala. Go.
Dual trail?
Kahit ano, kahit ano.
Stop.
Ay.
Nasa room.
Hey, vlog. Oh my God. Expectations mo?
Hindi masaya. Hindi masaya.
Expectations mo?
Wala.
Mio, ano expectations mo?
Wala. Hindi ako masusurprise.
Vlog.
Yep.
Hi guys.
Kayo na.
J4 to.
Ha?
Jordan 4.
Galing sa US to.
Aga mo to. Local lang akin. Local. Uy, bro!
Anong meron sa bag? Anong meron sa loob? Anong meron sa loob?
Drugs.
Anong meron sa bag mo? Ha? Anong meron sa loob?
You got notebook, Bible, extra t-shirts, coloring materials. Where's the fucking paper? Ball pen niya, bro.
Prepared. Mamaya po. Miss, expectations.
Expectation. You guys will be chaotic.
Wala kaming
Lorenzo!
Si Joshua parang hindi naka-MP si Joshua.
Lorenzo!
Lorenzo, pila na!
Lorenzo!
Pila na kami.
Kailangan, kailangan magpila. Di ko nagdalang snacks. Ano, expectations mo?
Ano ba? Expectation ko, we will gonna cry later. Tapos, we're gonna have some fun.
Sis,
Ariana, what are your expectations right now? I will be very banal. Nakalimutan mo yan? Yeah. What are your expectations? Bilang na! Nice daw, nice. If what are your expectations? Bakit PMO siya? Ang tinanong na pala. Ayun, bagay yung ka na. Ako daw ay sinungaling lulukuhin ka. Kasi di nila alam kung anong meron tayong dalawa. Kahit anong magulo. Ay,
Gab, anong oras na?
10:39.
Anong gagawin na? Third phase. Recollection. Jessica, experience.
I cried because I have daddy issues. I hate cheater. So,
Yeah, experience after.
It was so nice, and I cry because I have daddy issues too.
Okay.
And I have a lot of trust issues, especially for boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun.
Because my ex is a cheater.
Uy, likot to. Okay, ano yung experience after?
it was life-changing. I learned this.
Eh.
You do it. Do it.
Nag-send ko na. Ano yung experience after?
I think very good. I became very holy.
Vince, ano yung experience? Okay, punta tayo doon. Okay. Iglesia nga? Gap, ano yung experience?
Walang di above.
None of the above. Punta ko, interviewin ko si sir. Sir, what is your experience? What do you think about this retreat?
It was nice.
Sir Clive.
It was fantastic.
Vlog. Ayoko pala sa
Okay guys, tapos na yung retreat. Kailangan mag-uwi. Anong oras na?
Hi guys, so our reconciliation is done
Okay guys,
and we had fun.
we are gonna be back next time may gagawin.